case you missed our garden class art workshop we hosted on July 26th, we thought we'd give you a sneak peek of the amazing pieces the students were able to create. Enjoy! Hosting 2 of these classes next season, so keep your eyes peeled next year for the upcoming dates. This class sold out quickly, so sign up as fast as you can. We hope to see you for this awesome class next year. Thanks so much for stopping by.